Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here bringing you another product reveal on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So today I am sharing the Bokeh Bliss 6x6 paper pad. Now this paper pad is full of gorgeous colors and we're going to talk a little bit about that in a few seconds. I do have a sample I'm going to share with you at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and start flipping through. Now here you can see you're getting a range of colors with this paper pad. I love that you're getting bold, bright colors, and you're also getting pastels. You get hearts in this. I mean, it's just full of so many possibilities. This is going to be great for birthdays. It's going to be great for anniversaries. You name it, you're going to be able to use this paper pack for just about anything. Now, I know if you're like me and you get it home and you see it and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to cut it. What am I going to do with it? Don't worry. I'm going to have a video coming out very soon on the Whimsy channel to show you different ways to use this paper pack. Now, like always, you're getting 30 single-sided sheets in this. And I love that Whimsy has gone to the single-sided sheets. No more picking one pattern over the other. You're getting 2 each of 15 designs as you saw us flipping through. Now, here's the samples that I created for you. They were quick and simple, but I love the wow factor that this paper gives your cards. Now, I do want to say that we really appreciate you guys checking out the product reveals. If you want to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content, I have the products listed below for you so you can hop over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check it out. And as always, please know how much we appreciate you. Until next time, take care.